Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Buick Enclave Premium Group all-wheel drive, stock number Z8431XX. 35,000 miles on this Enclave comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Quicksilver metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Enclave is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seat 7 with a leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, rear audio as well as climate controls. Middle row buckets will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. This Enclave has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, as well as forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors, power liftgate for convenience, ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat, folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. This Enclave also has hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, lever settings for 2 drivers, 10-speaker Bose sound system, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges, and of course that forward collision alert, wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, which is also heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large, easy to operate touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, with the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control. Heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, home-link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires on the 20-inch wheels, Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.